Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
All good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. तो पहले हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे जो हमने कल पढ़ा था, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have to answer the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
See, here is a figure. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And you have to tell the line segment and ray. Okay? First, Aisa, you tell the line.
A, B.
Good. A, B. Good. Then, Nirlipta, you tell the line segments.
R, O.
R, O.
O, S.
O, S.
S, O.
S, O. इसको हम कुछ ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? Then
O, O, R.
O, R. These are same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Aisa, you want to add here? There is another line segment. Look at the figure.
R, S.
Very good. R, S. Aisa, tell what are the rays?
S, B.
S, B. Very good.
O, B.
O, B. Good.
R, B.
R, B. Nice.
S, A.
S, A. Good.
O, A.
O, A.
R, A.
R, A. Good. Then give examples where you see the parallel lines. Parallel lines. Give examples.
Railway track.
Good. Railway track. Then
Scale.
scale. Very good. And these are
Board. Blackboard edges.
board edges. Very good.
Mobile.
Then in this figure you have to find out the intersecting lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Aisa, tell which lines are intersecting with each other.
C, D.
C, D
A, B.
and A, B. Very good. Next, I am giving the rubber and the thread. Okay? Good. Then, yes, good. Draw these shapes on your notebook. Only these are the shapes. Yes. What you observe in the rubber band, you have to only draw that. Okay? Again, shape it. Shape the rubber band and observe them. Yes. What we found? Give the copy. Again shape it ऐसा. Yes. Yes. This is like something. This. Again shape it. Yes. You made it something like this. Okay, no? Yes. Then Nirlipta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Your shape is like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then shape with the thread. ऐसा you. Good. You are working on it very nicely. Yes. Yes. Wait. Draw it on the notebook. Nirlipta, you also draw it. Yes. Good. Again, shape it. Yes. Draw it. You are doing well. Very good, students. Yes, yes. Anything you can do. Yes. Good. This is like this. You have made it like this. Okay? Yes. Nirlipta, you draw it like this.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you have made different shapes and I am just picking up something from your notebook. Like from Nirlipta, this is her shape with a rubber band and like this. Then from Ayesha, yes, you have made it like this. Okay. Then with the thread, Nirlipta, from Nirlipta, it is like this and like this and like this. And Ayesha has made like this. Yes. These are interesting. And like this. Okay, students?
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
these all are straight line.
No, ma'am.
These are not straight lines. Not straight.
Lines.
So what we call them? These all figures. Do you know? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Today we are going to discuss about curves. Okay?
Yes,
These
ma'am.
all are curves.
Yes.
We call them curves.
Yes, ma'am.
Curves are not straight. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And see, these are something different. This shape is totally open and it is not closed. But it is closed. It is closed. It is closed. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
These curves are called, this is called open curve.
Yes, ma'am.
And those curves which are closed totally, This is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Closed curve.
Curves.
This one is
Closed. Closed.
very good. This one is closed.
Closed.
And see, these are something like it is intersecting with itself,
Yes, ma'am.
and it is also like this.
Yes, ma'am.
And here you see, this is like only the line segments.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, like these shapes, we call the simple curve.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple curve.
Curve.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, now you have to find out which are the curves, which are not, and which are simple curve, which are only the made up of line segments. See,
Yes, ma'am.
this is a star.
Yes, ma'am.
This is which type of curve?
Clo-
Open or closed?
Closed. Closed.
Very good. Closed. And it is a simple curve or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. It is a simple curve. Then see, if I made a shape with a thread like this, then it is a
Closed curve.
very good closed curve. And it is simple curve or not?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why not?
Ma'am, it has no straight lines. Lines.
No. This is a simple curve. Is this intersect with each other like this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No. Those curves which are intersect with each other, that are only a special type of curve. Except these, all curves are simple curves.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. This is a simple curve or not?
No, ma'am.
Not a simple curve. Very good. Can we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, I am drawing a badminton court. Have you ever seen a badminton court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. It is something like this, and in the middle it is like this. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you are playing here and your friend is here. Okay?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
some rules while playing badminton.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you know about the rules? Where you get the points and where not? Don't know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, when you are playing, okay, then if the car will fall here, then you get a point. But if the car fall here, then don't get the point.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you can get the point. And also, if this is Nirlipta N and this is Aisa, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If Nirlipta fall the cork on here, on the boundary, on this line,
Yes, ma'am.
then Nirlipta don't get a point. Okay,
Yes,
these are some rules.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, how can we specify where the cards are falling on the floor? How can we specify it? Let's see. If I erase all these things, okay. Now I am doing this again.
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. It is a curve or not?
Closed curve.
Good. It is a closed curve.
Closed curve.
Simple curve or not?
Simple curve.
Simple. Okay. Good. Then see, if you are here, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If here is Nirlipta and here is Aisa. Okay. This region, this shaded part is known as the interior part. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the interior part. And except these and this outline of this shape, closed shape,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
is the boundary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Except the interior part and boundary, all the external part are the exterior part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So then we'll have lesson about the region.
Yes.
Have you ever listened the word region? Sometimes we are telling like this, no, I am from the region of Talcher, I am from the region of Angul, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you ever listened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is this region? Region means the interior part and the boundary also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I am putting some figures and you have to tell about the different positions. Okay. What is this?
Closed curve. Closed curve.
Closed curve. Okay.
And also simple.
Aisa, please stand up. So the interior part said. Only said the interior part. Okay. Like this. Okay. Yes. Good. Good. Very good, Aisa. Sit down. Nirlipta, come here. This is interior part. Then show the boundary. Yes, you are doing well. Yes. Very good. Sit down, Nirlipta. This is the boundary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this space is exterior part. Okay. Interior means inside. What?
Inside.
You have listened that this is a field. Okay, cricket field.
Yes, ma'am.
Cricket field, and here is the pitch. Sometimes the ball falls outside of the boundary. This is ball, and sometimes on the boundary.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes inside the boundary.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means it is inside interior part,
Yes, ma'am.
and here is outside
Yes, ma'am.
exterior part, and this is on the boundary. On the boundary. All clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. I have given you some pens, use and throw pens,
Yes,
and you have to make any type of shape that you want. Okay, just enjoy it. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, enjoy it. Draw it. Nirlipta and Aisa, draw it on your notebook. Yes, good, Nirlipta. Aisa, do it fast. Yes, good. Next. Are you enjoying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Nirlipta, do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aisa? Yes, good. Good, very good. Aisa is doing something different. Wow. Do it on the notebook. Yes, good. Yes, Nirlipta. And this is Nirlipta's figure. Yes. Wow, this is a house. Good. Yes. Draw it. Yes, good. Good. So students,
Yes, ma'am.
you have done it well, and so many different shapes are there.
Yes,
And
yes, ma'am.
interesting also. So I am just picking up 2 and 3 shapes from you. This is Nirlipta's figure. This is Aisa figure, like this. And then what Nirlipta is doing? Yes, like this. Good. Then Aisa. Yes, it is a house like this. Home. My home. Okay. Yes. And next, then Nirlipta has made it something. Yes, like this. And Aisa. Yes, you have done it like this. Okay. Okay. And also, this is like this. See, what is this? This is the starting point, and it is like this, going outside. These are loudly say.
Ray.
These are red.
Rays.
Yes. Okay. See, there are some. Which type of figure?
A closed figure.
Closed figure. Okay. And see, these all are made up of
Line
These are-
segments.
what? These are
Line segments.
line segments. Okay. These are simple or not?
Simple. Simple.
Simple. This is simple curve. Okay. This is simple or not?
Simple.
Simple. Okay. See, what is polygon? Polygon is also a closed figure. That means a closed curve.
Yes.
Okay. And with this addition to closed figure, it also have to be a simple curve. That means polygon is a closed figure, closed curve, and also a simple curve. And it also have to be made by the line segments. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
made of
line
line segment. Okay, these
Yes.
are polygons.
polygons.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we see what are the sides of a polygon. Okay.
Yes,
Now we
ma'am.
can take only 2 to 3 figures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is a one second figure, and you have done it like this and like this. Okay.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
what are the sides of a polygon. These are polygon sides. See. The line segments by which a polygon is made up of, those are sides of a polygon.
Polygon.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These are sides of a polygon. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then like this, here also, which are the sides?
Yes.
A, B, C, D, E. Which are the sides? Tell, like AB, it is a line segment.
B, C,
Yes, good. B, C,
D, C, D,
good.
D, E,
D, E,
A, E.
A. Good. Very good. These are the sides of the polygon. A, B, C, D, E. This is the polygon.
Polygons.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then see, what are the vertices? Okay, two sides meeting with a one point are the vertex of the polygon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
tell the vertices. Vertices are points.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
tell the vertices here.
A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D.
D. Good. Then see, what are the adjacent sides? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Those sides which have a common point, they are called adjacent sides. Which are adjacent sides? In
A, B,
A, B,
A, B, B, C,
B, C,
A, D,
A, D,
D, C.
A, D, D, C. Good. These are the adjacent sides. Also B, C, C, D.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Then which are the adjacent vertices? The sides, the ending points of the side, same side, are the adjacent vertices.
Yes, ma'am.
So here is a side AB. What are the end points of this line segment?
B, B,
End points.
A and B.
Good. A and B. Like inside BC, end point.
B
B,
and
C.
C.
Good. B and C. Very good. Then, if we join the vertices except the adjacent vertices.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, here I am joining this. Except adjacent vertices, if we join the two vertex of the polygon, then it is called the diagonal. What? Diagonal. Aisa, please stand up. Draw a diagonal here from this point. Okay. From point A, draw diagonal. Yes, yes, good. Yes. Yes, good. This is the diagonal. Devlita, you stand up. Yes, come here. Draw another diagonal. Okay. Good. Yes, good. Sit down. In this figure, the diagonals are A,
A and C.
AC,
AD.
AD. Okay, very good. And also we can draw from point B,
B.
B,
E.
BE, yes,
BD.
BD, yes.
BC.
How it can be BC? It is a side, yes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And these are B and C are what? Adjacent vertex,
Yes, ma'am.
yes or not? Yes. So BE diagonal and BD diagonal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we recap all this what we have learned today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. First we see about what? Curves. Curves are straight or not?
No.
These are straight?
No.
No. Good.
No.
These are not straight. And we see two types of curve. What are they?
Open curve.
Open
Closed curve.
And closed curve. Then please say, is this from these two figures, which is open and which is closed?
Open curve. First figure is closed. A figure is closed and B figure is open.
Yes. Good. Very good. It is open. Okay. And this figure is simple or not?
No, ma'am.
This is not a simple curve. Okay. Good. Very good. Then we see the parts. Okay. Here is a curve, and which is the interior part?
Ma'am, which is shaded.
Yes. Good. Which is shaded? It is the interior part. Interior means
Inside.
inside. Good. Then which is the exterior part?
Ma'am, the open space.
Open space. Okay. This space, exterior part.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is the region?
Interior plus boundary.
Yes. Good. Interior part
Plus boundary.
and boundary. This is the
Reason.
what? Region of the shape. Okay. Then we see the about the polygon.
Yes,
Here
ma'am.
is a polygon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And say which are the adjacent sides?
Adjacent side. B.
Yes. AB,
B, C.
BC. Good.
C, D.
CD,
D, A.
DA. Okay. Very good. Also we can say BA, AD.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Then diagonals. Which are the diagonals?
Ma'am, AC.
AC,
BD.
BD. Okay, good. AC and VD are the diagonals. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Can we end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. आप सभी को पढ़ के आना है, ठीक है?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to read it well from the book and do the exercise. If you face any doubt, then we will discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.